Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we'd like to share with you one type of our company product, the valve assembly. Let's take a look. Firstly, I want to introduce you that's the outside package VCINT roast bag. And here this is a label information. The first line of the label is our Shumatt brand logo. And then it's the F00VC01033 inject control valve. And the application inject number is 044510091, etc. That's the QR code. By the way, for the logo label packages, we support customized service. Inside, we use this kind of plastic bottles to avoid some damages during the transportation. That's the oil paper. The whole valve assembly. We also sell the separate parts, such as this kind of valve cap. They're with the coating figures here and the valve rods. And actually, we supply with 6 months warranty time to our customers. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. And the third tip is, if you want to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. So much for the valve assembly. Actually, if you want to know more, please send us by the comments or you can contact us. So much for today. Thank you for staying with us, and my next video will be more exciting. Bye bye.